Happy Halloween, everybody! It's almost that time, and you're here on Jim's Kitchen, and yes, I'm gonna be making something today for you. One thing about Halloween that everybody thinks about is this: candy corn. And when it comes to candy corn, people either love it or hate it. Well, I must tell you, I'm in the hate it category. Well, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn this hated candy into something that can be loved by everyone. I'm gonna be making butterfingers, homemade, 3 ingredients using candy corn. Watch me now. I'm gonna start by putting some tin foil in an 8x8 glass pan. Put some candy corn in a pot. And some creamy peanut butter. Heat it on medium-low. Stir it often. Candy corn came out in the 1880s. It was made by the Wonderly Candy Company in Philadelphia. It wasn't originally called candy corn. It was called chicken feed, and it had a little rooster on the bag. I'm gonna pour this into that pan, flatten it, and let it cool down. Would you look at that color? Every year, they produce about 17,000 tons of candy corn. That's about 9 billion pieces of candy corn. It's all done and hard. Can you believe that? I'm just curious. Do you like candy corn? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna cut this into candy bar size pieces. Hi-ya! Now I'm gonna melt some chocolate using the double boiler type method. Yum, yum, yum. Drop your bar in. Put it on some parchment paper. And now I'm just gonna let those cool for a few minutes. But does it taste like a butterfinger? Let's find out. It does, and has quite the crunch. Butterfinger out of candy corn. I tried juggling candy bars, but I dropped them all. I've got butterfingers.